Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amzolin K. So today I'm bringing you another video and showing you guys how I wash my box braids, because I've got people asking me like, do you wash your hair when you have braids on? Like, girl, yes, you need to wash your hair even with box braids on, okay? Because otherwise your scalp is gonna be itchy as heck, and your hair, your natural hair, is going to be like screaming for moisture. It is thirsty. So I'm just adding into that bottle 3/4 water and 1/4 of apple cider vinegar, and also my shampoo from OGX. So shake all together, and then I'm going to be spraying it directly onto my scalp and my hair, and then working my way down through the box braids. So in case you're wondering why I added apple cider vinegar to the mixture, that's because it's going to balance the pH on my scalp and my hair, and it also has the ability to like break down every dirt or build up from your scalp and your hair, so you don't have to massage like too much, which will eventually cause frizz. So you don't want that to happen. So basically apple cider vinegar is just going to do all the job for you. It's also going to leave your hair nice and shiny. Here I'm just patting down my hair into 2 sections just to make it more manageable and easier to apply the shampoo on my scalp. And I'm going to be starting off at the back, spraying and giving it a light massage just to further loosen in the build-up and all that. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna let you guys watch. Here I was done with one part of the hair, and I'm going to do the other part, and I'll see you in the shower. So once I've thoroughly rinsed out the shampoo of my hair, I then go in with my OGX conditioner, and I'm going to apply it 1 inch away from my scalp and working my way down to the strands. You don't want to put it directly on your scalp because some conditioners tend to clog your pores, and you don't want that to happen. So once I've rinsed out the conditioner out of my hair, I go ahead and squeeze my box braids to remove the excess water, and I also hold my hair at midsection, that is to protect my roots, and I swing my head side to side just to get some more water out, and then I will use a microfiber towel to speed up the drying process. I know it looks kind of funny, but it does the job. That's what matters. So my hair is all nice and clean. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So what you see in the front right there on the braid is just an elastic band, so ignore that one. So now for styling, I'm going to be using this right here, the castor oil, 100% pure and natural castor oil. That's what I'm going to be applying on my scalp. And then for the rest of the hair strands or the box braids, I'm going in with this Style and Shine from Douglas. And for my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to go in with the Garnier Fructis 10-in-1 leave-in conditioner, Silk and Shine cream. First, some conditioner, there's a few pumps. I'm taking it like from the mid, like 1 inch away from my scalp, and just squeeze it in so that my hair, we also get the benefits of the conditioner and not only the box braids. So yeah, so once I'm done applying the leave-in, I then go in with my castor oil. And it got a little messy. I got some conditioner on my sleeves and everywhere, but that is okay. And of course, oil my scalp and my edges. Feels so good, guys. My scalp feels so clean. Feels good. Basically, I can still have this style on for another 2 weeks before I take them out, which is amazing. So once all my hair is just waited with that, bring the rest of my box braids so we can have a nice and shiny look. I posted a video on how I styled my box braids after I finished washing it, so you can go ahead and check it out if you haven't already. I'll leave it on the end screen. It's like 80% dry. My scalp looks so clean, guys, like seriously. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see, but it looks absolutely clean. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!